Guys, how's it going? ghostlyrich here today, and today we are working on the GTI. So one thing that happened recently is that you can see I have the Y pipe for the diverter valve kicked out of here, which is right there. Reason why is right down the seam right here, it's split. Couldn't tell you why, how. I mean, we are running a lot of boost to the thing, so anything could also just been a defective part. Either way, got this new one from Unitronic, and it came with all new straps. Now, why is he making this video about it? Well, because I want to go over the differences of the pipe, but also wanted to thank Unitronic because literally I just sent them a picture of the rip, and I got a new one shipped in the mail the same week. Like, I got it within 3 days. I think I got the claim submitted and everything was done by Friday. It was here by Wednesday. Let's take a quick look here. So, first off, if you remember, we used to have to cut this pipe. You no longer have to do that. They've shortened up the mold. If you take a look at how this aims. It aims a little differently than this one. That one was a little bit longer back then. Now, ignore the tape. The reason why the tape's on there is because I still had to daily drive it. And by doing so, I RTV'd and then put electrical tape to basically get my boost seal back. Temporary fix. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly slide this back in. And I want to see how it all sits because it's going to sit a little differently. I guess it's going to sit like that, and then it sits more straight up. Let's take a look. This is brilliant. So if you take a look, they switched the pipe a little bit. So if you take a look right here, it now has a better space. Before, I noticed it rubbed, and it started rubbing against the diverter valve relocation kit metal piece right here. But yeah, no. This piece, this one tube, is probably the worst pipe I've ever had to install in my life. It's just in such an awkward space, and when you're trying to get it on, it just never wants to slip on proper. But after about half an hour to 45 minutes, it's in. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Like if it helped you out, and subscribe for more.